added safety features, we do have a lock-on switch, right? So when you get that switch locked on, the last thing you want it to do is start up when you insert the battery. So it does have restart protection, similar to what our corded grinders have. When you plug them into the wall, they're not going to go shooting across the floor if they're turned on, type of thing. That is a major safety feature built in, and that is actually going to be published as a standard here in the U.S. Bosch driving that through our product safety division. The other thing you're going to find is that our guard system is not your traditional tension based guard, meaning the screw itself isn't driving this thing staying in place. It's got ridges that are built into the guard design. Kind of hard to show you this with a wheel on it, but at any rate, it positively locks the guard in place. So if you were to have a wheel bust on it, if it hits the guard, this thing is not moving. We have a slow motion video of our large angle grinders, a 9-inch wheel, the same type of design. Hitting it, doesn't rotate, doesn't move around. With a lot of the tension-based designs, the guard rotates and spits all that debris right back at you. So it's the last thing you want to happen. So big feature there.